Welcome to Cakes Factory. I'm your host Sumbal Shahzadi. Today we bring you a galaxy of 20 cute and creative cupcakes designs that are totally trending in 2025. Let's jump into the sweetness. First one is rainbow swirl cupcake. Buttercream piped in a soft rainbow tones with the star tip dreamy and bright. The next is unicorn magic cupcake. Pastel mean sweet swirls, golden horns, toppers, and swirls, pure fantasy. The next is classic rose swirl cupcakes, single color buttercream rose using a 1 million tip, simple and elegant and timeless. The next is mini heart cupcakes, heart shaped fondant topper with light pink icing, love in a bite. The next is teddy bear cupcake, sweet fondant bear face on chocolate buttercream, perfect for baby showers. The next is galaxy cupcake, swirl to black, purple, and blue with edible stars and shimmer. The next is butterfly garden cupcake, mint green icing, piped grass, and edible butterflies. So fresh. The next is strawberry shortcake cupcakes, topped with fresh cream and a half a real strawberry, sweet and fruity. The next is drip top cupcake, chocolate ganj, dripping over icing with swirls and a mini topper. The next is birthday sprinkle cupcake, bright color icing with rainbow sprinkle and a happy birthday topper. The next is peach blush floral cake cupcakes, buttercream florals in peach ivory and coral, elegant and modern. The next is cartoon face cupcake, smiling emoji faces, animal eyes, and animal expression made with fondant cherry on top cupcake. Old school style cupcake with tall frosting swirl and a cherry on a top. The next is cookie crunch cupcake. Cookies and cream buttercream topped with crunch Oreos and cookies halves. The next is vintage lace cupcake. Elegant pipe lace and pearls perfect for weddings and tea parties. The next is floral worth cupcakes. Circle of piped mini roses and ganj greenery with white frosting center. The next is mini character cupcake. Hello Kitty, Snoopy, and Pikachu made from fondant. Kids love them. The next is gold dust cupcake, soft pastel frosting brushed with edible gold dust and pearls. The next is monogram letter cupcake, customer letter made with fondant and piped in royal icing, perfect for names. The next is cupcake box set display, four themed cupcake in a box, perfect gift step. Which cupcake would you try first? Tell us in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas and share this video cool cupcakes and with your baking friends or sweet tooth. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Hope so you are doing well. Share your love with your family, friends, and with your loved ones. Goodbye.